Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can ensure precision during the course of your analysis in Excel, especially when you have numbers that you need to round during the course of the analysis. So here I have this data and I have these numbers, these two numbers. For each of them, I'm supposed to multiply by 1,000 and have these expected results. So I will first of all use this Excel decrease formula feature to decrease the formula to the very point that I will need for my operation. So if I decrease this first one to 1.65, 1.66, now I'll also decrease this so that when I multiply by 1,000, automatically, as you can see here, we do not have any other number. It should give me this, and this one should give me this. Now let's try it and see if this works. So if I do equal to this 1.66, multiply it by 1,000, you see that it's giving us a result that is different from what is expected. Let's try for this one too. Try for A2. I'll multiply by 1,000. You also see that it's giving us a different result. So how do we solve this? Now we're going to use the Excel function known as round to solve this issue. So in our case, we are going to be entering the round function. So we enter the number and then the number of digits, that's the decimals. So now enter this one, which is my first number. The number of digits, in my case, is 2, okay? So that I will have these two numbers up here. And then I multiply by this 1,000. So you can see it now worked, giving us exactly this very number that we need. Let's try for this other one. So we enter our round function and the number of digits is also 2 in our case, since after the 75 we need 0. Enter 2 and then we multiply by the 1,000. So you see we got exactly the expected values. Okay, we can actually reduce this and we got it exactly the way it is needed. So this is just how this round function can help you perform this, which ideally, if you say you want to use this decrease decimal method for, it will show you on the sheet that it's decreased, but Excel has not really decreased it. For you to sufficiently decrease it appropriately, you use this round. So I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if it has, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.